Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites: free storage, a reliable network, and power settings that won't interrupt the process. Once done, power on the Ps5 and go to Settings System Software Update and Settings. Select Update using Internet first. If that fails, prepare a USB installer. I'm telling you why. Direct downloads reduce corruption risk, and staying connected prevents partial installs that trigger safe mode. If internet updates fail, create a USB installer. Format XFAT and place the Ps5 update. PUP and Ps5/update on the drive. Once copied, power off the console fully, then boot into safe mode by holding the power button for about 7 seconds until the second beep. Connect the USB and choose Update System Software Update from USB drive. This method bypasses network errors and uses a verified full package to repair corrupted components safely and complete the update by allowing the Ps5 to reboot and finish setup. Do not power off mid-process because that can brick the system. If the installer fails, reformat or swap USB drives and re-download the PUP. Corrupt downloads are common. Make sure you back up saves before any reset. If nothing works, enter safe mode and select Rebuild Database, then initialize if necessary. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify file.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.